Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the forexpeacearmy.com. Well, I have decided to prepare this research a bit earlier than usual because tomorrow I will have the limited access to the internet and to the computer, and probably the research on the 13th of July could be released with some delay. Well, still, nevertheless, let's take a look at the current move downside that has taken place during the current trading session. This is the daily time frame of the euro currency, and as you remember, on our weekly research trading plan for the coming week, we said that in general on the long-term charts on the weekly and on the monthly time frames, there are a lot of contradictory factors that shows as on the that have as bullish as bearish nature. But on the short term, we said that since we have the daily trend bearish, we have nice sell-off on the Friday, so probably 4-hour trend is bearish, so probably we have the bearish context, and the thing that we should watch for is to the possibility to enter on the short side of the market. So today you can see this was market shown really strong plunge to the downside, strong sell-off, really impressive move. What do we see? First of all, A, B, C top. What do we see? Market stands just above the target of this 100% extension target, 139.94. Also, this acceleration to the downside was right from the 618 target to 100% extension target. And usually when the market has shown such kind of move, you can see that strong black candle right in the area of the target of this ABCD pattern. It very often leads to the continuation move to the downside, and the nearest target of this potential continuation is right here, 127 extension of this CD leg is 137.67. This is very close to the area of weekly confidence support, as you remember that we treat as the potential long-term support for the market, and that's very crucial for the further move on the monthly time frame. Okay, so our nearest area to watch for nearest target is area around 137. Also take a look at this larger ABCD, A, B, C, D. The D point target of this pattern, okay, stands around 137.02. If you take a look how the CD leg develops on this greater pattern, you can see that AB move is much steeper than CD. CD has some shape of another ABCD pattern. That tells us that probably around the 100% extension target of this ABCD pattern, we will see some strong area of support. Very common when the market shows the much flatter CD move compared to AB. It leads to the reversal in the D point around 100% extension, and this significantly decrease the probability of continuation to the 1618 or 127 extension target. So from the different perspective, 137 area is very important for us, and this will be our nearest target and nearest perspective. But currently, what do we see? Market stands at daily overbought. Oversold for today trading sessions 139.96. Okay, I suppose that tomorrow it will be a bit later, but anyway, we can see the significant target 139.94. Okay, this is the point from this ABCD pattern. We see the daily overbought. Also take a look at this B point, 139.25. Although the D point stands above this low, and in general very often the low holds when some target stands above it. If D point, for instance, stands below the B point, then probably we could see some acceleration due to the triggering of the stop losses that has been placed just below this point. Okay, market could show some acceleration further to the downside, but currently the D point stands above B and market at daily oversold. So I think that market could find some support in that area and show some retracement to the upside that could be used for the entering the short side of the market and the continuation to lower targets. One of the preferable patterns that could be formed right here, still market could penetrate this B point and show some kind of wash and rinse, triggering the stops and returns back. So if it will happen and market just clear out the B point, it will look like first move below the B point and then first return back. On the 4-hour chart you can see some kind of bullish engulfing or railroad tracks. Okay, if it will happen, that will be a bullish pattern, and this could give us some confidence for the some retracement to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye on that area, and if market will show some retracement to the upside, we can use it to enter on the short side of the market. Also take a look at this pattern. This is potential better flyby with the target around 137.25. You can see that 127 target from this low to that high stands precisely at the same area. So we have 127 extension from this recent ABCD, we have the butterfly pattern, we have the larger ABCD with the same area. So that's add significance to that area, and as I said, this potential target of the current move to the downside. On the 4-hour chart, what we see, trend is bearish. You can see that market has hit 4-hour time frame target from that A, B, C, D. Okay, so here is the couple of levels to watch for. First area is 141.15, but market now it stands at oversold, so I prefer to watch for that area. This is for our confluence support resistance 141.92, 142.03. Okay, and that in an area where 4-hour trend will hold bearish. You can see this red line, this MACD predictor indicator, that shows that till that area market will hold the bearish trend. So first we have to count on some deeper retracement, because market daily oversold and we do not want to enter right from the nearest fib resistance. And I think that this area 142 area roughly is absolutely suitable to watch for entering on the short side of the market. To play stop, you can above the weekly pivot point 143.12. Okay, that is also coincide with the 618 resistance from that swing down 143.28. It's a bit far stop, but this is also, as you can see, the relatively large time frame. So that could be in the perspective of the continuation move to the 147 area. The risk reward ratio is very nice. Okay. On the hourly time frame, what we could see, this is green line is the 3x3 moving average. You can see nice thrust to the downside. Okay, no penetration, no retracement to the even to the 3.8 resistance from the recent swing. This could be the potential for the double repo buy. That could be the pattern that will trigger the retracement to 142 area, for instance. Also, market could form here different patterns. It could be, for instance, better flyby on the hourly time frame. Okay, with the hitting of the 100% extension target on the daily time frame, something. So keep an eye on that area, because this is an area, as we said, potential 139.94, it's right here around this weekly pivot support too. That's rather deep support. Okay, somewhere around that area. Keep an eye on for the bullish pattern, bullish reversal pattern that could lead to the some retracement to the upside. That being said, our trading plan is false. We will hold the bearish buy, so we need to search for the possibility to enter on the short side of the market. But currently market stands first near the daily target around 139.34 area, second at daily oversold. In such environment, this is not very wise to enter short, because the probability is not on our side and not in our favor, because market could show some retracement to the upside. Although we could expect some retracement, we do not want to enter right from the nearest fib resistance 141.15, because this is not very safe, because market at oversold. If market won't be at oversold, then probably we could use it. But in such kind of an environment, I prefer to use this area of confluence resistance around 142.03. That's an area to watch for if you're a day trader, if you have the bearish buys. If you're a scalper and intraday trader, you can search for the buy signals around 139.40, 139.30 area, is in that area, because this is also the weekly pivot support too. If market will form the double ripple buy, butterfly buy, some reversal pattern, you can try to take it with a very tight stop, because market will allow you to stop very tight stop. As you know, the butterfly pattern and double ripple pattern allow to place tight stops. Well, your target will be, for instance, nearest fibs resistance or the same confluence resistance area. So that's our trading plan for the Tuesday. Good luck and take your risk reasonable. Keep an eye on that areas that we have discussed, because market in such kind of environment could give us a lot of possibilities to trade.